Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Prequel photo and video editor app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Prequel is a creative photo and video editing app that allows users to transform their content with cinematic filters, aesthetic presets, and a variety of effects. The app supports video editing features like trimming, merging, adding transitions, and syncing music, alongside advanced photo editing tools such as color grading, overlays, and motion effects. It also offers trendy styles including retro, VHS, and glitch effects to enhance visual storytelling. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate Prequel for its intuitive interface, high-quality effects, and ability to quickly create visually striking content. Many content creators enjoy experimenting with a wide range of filters and presets, sharing their work on social media, and combining video and photo editing in a single app. The app's real-time previews and smooth performance make it accessible for both beginners and experienced editors. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. While many features are free, full access to premium filters, effects, and high-resolution exports requires a subscription. Some users have reported occasional lag with larger projects, and the abundance of features can feel overwhelming at first. Additionally, Prequel may not replace professional desktop editing software for advanced editing needs. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Prequel app may be worth using if you're looking for a mobile-friendly, creative, and stylish tool to edit photos and videos. It shines in intuitive design, cinematic filters, and versatile editing options. However, if you need full professional-level tools without subscription limits, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.